What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. Good morning to each and one of you. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Thank you guys for those who subscribe. Now we have to dive straight into the chart. Do not forget, guys, if you're coming across my content but you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, especially the fact that I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. So if you think you're gonna be the lucky winner, smash that like button to this video, subscribe, most importantly turn on post notification while we dive straight into this video. Now, without wasting much of our time, we could see right here, I made it known to us yesterday that we are about to take off, guys. We are about to take off. The fundamentals are good, guys. The fundamentals are good. So there is absolutely nothing much for us to to analyze, because even speaking from previous highs or previous tops, you could say that these were just fake outs, guys. These were just fake outs, and back to where we are currently. We are currently retesting on the daily time frame. So today we might get some what is it called, some consolidation, whereby the markets might be a bit calm, but tomorrow, within the next 48 hours, I assure you guys, if the market can go in this pattern which we have predicted, trust me, guys, trust me, buddy, we are definitely sending to the moon, guys. And I can assure you that we are definitely sending to the moon. We are definitely going to be pumping to the moon, guys. So you could see it right here from the daily perspective. We are just about to pump. Now, should we be expecting a worst case scenario right here? Yes, there's every possibility for us to probably like get a worst case scenario, but I actually don't see that happening, because maybe worst case scenario, I might drop this here. I might drop this support right here for worst case scenario. Sorry about that. So maybe worst case scenario, we could see Bitcoin dropping all the way down to $106,000, $106,690. Then we could recover from here, get a retest from the $109,400 or $500. Then we can rally up much higher from there. I don't know what just happened. Okay, yes, let me do that again. So sorry about that. So I have to delete this. Now, like I said, we'll have to drop all the way down to 106,500 range, and maybe get a move like this. We break out of the 109,400 range, get a retest with good confirmation and volume, we can pump higher, guys. So now the like I said, the fundamentals are good, the analysis, the technicals, everything are aligned. The moon is all we are waiting for to pump, guys. So now is the right time for you to go all in. Yes, I know buying the top, you should be wondering, oh, isn't Bitcoin too high? Isn't Bitcoin too high? Look, guys, Bitcoin was around 95,000. You kept on asking, isn't Bitcoin too high? Bitcoin went as high as 100,000. You kept on asking, isn't Bitcoin high? Even we went as high as getting to $112,000, which we dropped back down to $100,000, and you still kept on asking if Bitcoin is too high. You could see the 100 EMA on the daily is actually serving as a support for us right here on the daily. So you could see right here that we are doing just fine. We are doing just fine, guys. We are definitely doing just fine. So be on the lookout for these levels. But left to me, I would say you could buy at the top, but buying at the top doesn't mean you should over leverage yourself. No, buying at the top with good technical backing, and risk management, guys, and you will definitely be good. So this is all I have to say. Now, regarding the fundamentals, if you care to check on the fundamentals, you could see 15 hours ago Tesla shares extend gain up 3.6%. Good fundamentals, because when the S&P 500 is going, when the stocks are going well, definitely risk on assets will definitely be going well. The US-China talks are ongoing. US official. US and China have concluded trade talks in London. US official. So India US stock held on market access. Digital trade official. India US stock trade progressing. So all this stuff like this, you all could see. ChatGPT is down for some users. Okay, Google OpenAI tabs. Okay, that doesn't have any business to do with us for now. It doesn't have any business. Bitcoin could work as a hedge against inflation. So these are the good news we are talking about right here. And I think now this is a video that I would like each and every one of us to watch with Michael Saylor. We all know Michael Saylor, and this guy here who is a newscaster or whatever he claims to be, and obviously with the way he's talking, he doesn't know anything about crypto. But I'll definitely play this video just for you to see how bullish Michael Saylor is. Michael Saylor currently own up to 578 or 570,000 plus worth of Bitcoin, and he is buying at the top. He is buying at the top. He just doesn't care. He keeps on buying at the top, at the top, at the top. So if you have not seen anyone that will motivate you to know that yes, buying right now is not actually too late for you, this is the video that will actually make you bullish right now. So let me hit play.
And at what point do we see, winter coming again? Because that's been a permanent fixture of this asset class, right? It's gone from 0 or 1,000 to 20, and then back down to 3 or 4, and then up to 50, and then back down to 15, and now up to 110. Like, when does it drop again?
This guy is a joker.
Winter's not coming back. We're past that. We're past that phase. If Bitcoin's not going to 0, it's going to $1 million. And you have all the evidence you need to determine that, right? The President of the United States has determined he supports Bitcoin. The cabinet supports Bitcoin. Scott Bessent supports Bitcoin. Paul Atkins has shown himself to be an enthusiastic believer of Bitcoin and digital assets. Ken Tez at CFTC feels the same way. The banks are going to custody Bitcoin. Bitcoin has gotten through its riskiest period. The accounting has been corrected. There's now only 450 Bitcoin a day available for sale by natural sellers. That's the miners. At this level, that works out to about $50 million of Bitcoin available for sale every day. If that $50 million is bought, then the price has got to move up to find any seller that's price sensitive. Now, if you do the math, you'll actually see the Bitcoin treasury companies by themselves are buying the entire natural supply.
Yeah.
BlackRock and the ETFs are buying another measure of that. And we've got nation state actors coming into the space. So I think when Bitcoin rallies, if it surges to 500,000 or $1 million, then maybe we could talk about it crashing down by $200,000 a coin. But at the current price levels, it only takes $50 million to turn the entire drive shaft of the crypto economy one turn. And you've got the Trump media organization announcing
Right.
$2.5 billion. You've got GameStop announcing $500 million. You've got my company that's raising billions and billions of dollars. So the writing is on the wall. Bitcoin's moving higher.
And
so you could see from that video, winter is not coming for Bitcoin, guys. Winter is not coming. Sorry about that. Sorry about this broke nonsense. Yeah, I'm a broke guy. Yeah, I admit. So yeah, guys, that is all you need to know for you to be very, very bullish on Bitcoin. I have no other words to say. Michael Saylor has said it all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this content, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful week. Peace out, guys.